So, go ahead and lift it right off. We're good to go. Now we can do our workouts without any issues. And when we're done, we just go ahead, place it right back on, and we're good to go. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this JX dumbbell rack. So we're gonna go ahead and put it together. All right guys, so this is it. You got a couple bolts, washers. Now they don't give you any tools for this. The bolts look like they slide in and then they thread on. So I'm not sure how hard that's gonna be, but we're gonna be using this. So you guys might need something similar. But yeah, these are the pieces. Doesn't look too hard, so let's get started. All right guys, once you get your bars on, I recommend starting with the top and placing your bolts down in, and you just continue. It's actually pretty simple to do. Follow the directions and you guys are good to go. You don't even have to follow the directions if you don't want. You guys can just place them how you want. So depending on your size of your weights, some are going to fit up vertical, some are going to be like this. So I actually kind of like this, and if you guys look, you might think, oh no, it's going to drop. There's actually plenty of lip, so it's catching the whole way, and then you just simply grab your weights and you're good to go. I like that. But again, depending on your length, the size of your weights, you can put them a long way up and down. But for us, this is going to work out great. So we're going to put this together in another room, but overall, we love it. It is very nice, guys.